So far, we have seen two types of financial data, cross-sectional data and time series data. But in real world finance, we often use both together. So in this lesson, we will understand panel data. Think about the stock market. We don't just track one company over time, and we don't just compare firms on one day. We usually track many firms over many time periods. So, if we observe multiple firms and also track them across time, what kind of data is this? It's not purely cross-sectional and not purely time series. This type of data is called panel data. Panel data combines both dimensions, multiple entities observed across multiple time periods. The idea is simple. We observe many firms, and for each firm, we track values over time. So, we are combining cross sectional and time series perspectives here. For example, we can track returns of multiple stocks across time. Each stock has a return every day. So we build a data set where each row represent time and columns represent firms. This is panel data. We can also track firm characteristics over time. For example, market capitalization, valuation ratios, risk measures. These change over time for each firm. Again, this creates a panel data. Panel data allows us to study relationships in two dimensions. We can compare firms and we can observe how those relationships evolve over time. This makes panel data very powerful. Panel data contains more information than either cross-sectional or time series data alone. It captures variation across firms and variation over time. This helps us build better model. Let's summarize all three types. Cross-sectional data compares many firms at one time. Time series data tracks one variable across time. Panel data combines both. Understanding this difference is very important in econometrics. Now that we understand the structure of financial data, we can go one step deeper. In the next lesson, we will explore why financial data behaves differently from typical datasets. Till then, thank you for watching and as always, happy learning.